What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to Lasting Impressions to go shoot a couple of Mclarens and maybe some other stuff. I don't know what they have there. The owner of your ride just hit me up and said to come by, so we are about to go do that. I didn't plan on vlogging today. I was pretty down in the dumps. Some potential clients said no to a offer, but that's the way it goes. That's how business goes. It's just back and forth. No hard feelings. It was their choice, so yeah, we're gonna go do that. But first I have to load up all my gear into my car, drive to Charlotte, and then shoot these cars. So let's get right into it. In today's bag, you can see we got the A7S II with the 24-105, 85mm from Sony, and something I haven't used in like a year now, my little Sony Nifty 50. This thing's a 1.8. I was never a big fan of this lens when I got it, but I think I'm gonna start using it again. I'm gonna try to try some new tactics with it, so I got this thing. But yeah, that's what we're shooting on today. So currently behind me, I'm here at Lasting Impressions. I have to kind of stay far away because he's currently pressure washing. But there's an orange 600 LT and a black 720S at this place that I'm currently shooting. He has a pretty awesome shop, as you can see. There's Uriah's shop, and then right there is the city. So he really has like the perfect location for this place. I don't have a good pass with 600 LTs. I hate these cars. There's a reason behind it. I'm not gonna say, but not my favorite car, but we're gonna go and shoot it and get some really cool photos. Here we got this huge fake 4x4 square. It's not a legit one, it's a G-Wagon with the kit and then Brabus, all that stuff. But oh my god, this has to be my favorite G-Wagon around. We got all the carbon everywhere on this thing. This thing is absolutely insane. So I switched the camera into auto mode. I got kind of tired of dealing with it, but this thing is absolutely insane. Here's me as compared to it, the size. It's a huge vehicle. This is my kind of Jeep. If I had a Jeep, this is my kind of Jeep. This big old Mercedes Jeep. Yeah, this thing is badass. I love always seeing this thing here. And he has a good collection too. A lot of other cool cars. Like Aston and a Porsche and another one of these. Guy's a lot of cool cars. So I'm currently leaving Lasting Impressions. Just shot a Mclaren 600 LT and a 720, and you saw the Brabus 4x4 squared replica thing, I guess you'd call it. Shot that, so a lot of cool cars here. I should be back like next week or so to shoot some more cool stuff. And yeah, now I gotta get going. So I'm currently back home from Lasting Impressions. As you saw, we shot a orange 600 LT, a black 720S, and we walked around that replica 4x4 squared. I love that G-Wagon. I believe it's a Brabus kit or Brabus or Brobus, however you say the name. That car is amazing. It's been there a couple of times that I've been there. That same dude has an amazing collection too of cars, including an Aston Martin, Porsche, and some other fun stuff. But I'm now gonna go and edit those photos, and I'll throw them up here, but I'll show you guys editing a couple of them for social media and how I go about that. Then this should be over because I have nothing else going on today. But yeah, let's jump right into the editing. So if you guys can see here, I got my side-by-side. Obviously this is what it started out as. Like, it's kind of vibrant. The colors are everywhere. Sharpened it all up. Made the green kind of more of a yellow-esque kind of look. Took out the saturation of the G-Wagon, you know, sharpened up the bottom. Just a lot of just easy stuff. But this shot with that 50mm 1.8 I was talking about earlier. I haven't shot this lens in like 8 months, so I kind of really like it. Like, all the shots with that lens came out amazing, so I might start using it again just for photo. Video, it's kind of slow for autofocus, but photography, that's a good photo. That's a very good photo. But that was the first like little big touch-up I've done today. Okay, this is my next and last photo that I'm going to at least show you guys because I have a bunch of them. I got like 20 or 30 that I'm going to go through. But a lot of people don't recognize the difference that people edit with. So this is the original photo here. I hated this photo. As soon as I took it, I was like, it's gonna be garbage. I'm not gonna make anything of it. And it ended up becoming my favorite interior shot. As you can see by the edit, I took the greens, made them a little bit more yellow, sharpened up, brightened, desaturated some things, and now it's like my favorite interior shot ever. So any shot you take, you can easily adjust based off of editing. A lot of people don't notice how much editing goes into the photos they see on social media. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I had a great time shooting it. I enjoyed going around and shooting the cars, the lasting impressions. If you're not following them, go give them a follow on Instagram. They run some amazing cars through that shop when they're detailing and everything like that. So tomorrow I'll be doing another vlog, hopefully again. That'll be 2 in a row. That'll be 2 days in a row. That would be amazing for me. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. And if you guys saw anything that you like in this video, camera-wise or anything, I leave a list down below to all the Amazon links where I buy all my stuff from, so you can go buy the same cameras and the same gear that I use every day. So, I'm Wyatt from Off Camera Media, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.